Yo, 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 what's happening, everyone? What's the deal, everybody? What's going on, guys? What's going on? Let's go, let's go. A deal. What's happening, brother? Yo, 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 everybody. Yo, yo, yo. We have a little bit of a lag. Just a little bit of a lag right now. But it's nothing. It's all G. A deal and Wise, you guys, well, Will, you guys won yesterday, so don't worry. You're gonna receive your accounts, okay? Because my FF is the truth. So don't worry about it. You're gonna receive your accounts. Pato, man like Patty. What's going on, Patty? We got my brother Mike in the house. What's going on, brother? We got Adiyemo Bolaji. What up, what up, what up? Inshallah Hadil. Inshallah. Or should I say Assalamu alaikum, my brother. Assalamu alaikum. But yes, Adil, don't worry. I literally have the chat open with the admins. I gave them your information. You're gonna get contacted. Just keep an eye out on your email address, okay? There's no delay here. Keep an eye out on the email. You're gonna get the account. Alaikum salam. Let's go. Alaikum salam, my brother. Goodness. What up, my people? What's going on? So today we had news events happening. Unemployment claims happened today. And we also had PPI. So unemployment claims came out to be really positive, which is good, which means you should have been buying anything that has USD. But the PPI came out negative. So obviously when the news release came out, there was a little bit of friction, to say the least. Friction. When I say friction, I mean these two are counterintuitive to what they're both doing. So if one is red, one is green, you're going to see a spike up and down, volatility. So as you can see here, if the actual is greater, it's good for the currency, but it wasn't. So this will translate to the charts. So on the charts, you will see a spike up, a spike down, then a spike up again. But any news is good news for gold. Yes, sir. As long as you get it in the right direction. as long as you literally get it in the right direction. So in today's call, guys, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of recap, a little something that's going to be in the boot camp. It's a teaser. If you don't know what it is, it's all good, you're going to learn. And yeah, Sulek Somar, Salam Alaikum, my brother. Alaikum Salam. I have a lot of success recently with Bitcoin. I need your analysis on it. Sure, I won't lie to you. I have not looked at Bitcoin in about 8, 9, 10, 11 months. It's been that long. All I know is Bitcoin went up, 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 up. And you know what they say? If it's up, then it's up. Then it's up, then it's stuck. You know? But yeah, this is basically Wagwan for the news, okay? Wagwan for the news, guys. So, while we're here, don't forget to like the stream. Our second official stream with my Flash funding. Second of many, should I say. Giving away accounts here, and we're doing content first. So education comes first before the 10K accounts, guys. Let's focus on the 10K. Let's focus on the education. Then the bonus is the 10K account, all right? So let's get to it. We're gonna do Q&A, account giveaway, everything. So my question to you guys is, how was your trading day today? Did any of you make any losses, any wins? Let us know. I got a second trade on USD CAD. It was a sweet trade. Sweet trade. Then I have something to show you guys here on US30. Then I'll show you something again on Euro CAD. It was awesome. Come on, tell us. What were you trading? Were you trading gold? USD JPY? What was it that you were trading? I took a buy on gold, just hit TP a while ago. Let's go. Gold should have been bullish. Well, gold should have been bearish because the news came out positive for the US currency. But obviously the market does what the market does, you know? It was a loss for me with the news on GU, okay? GU was also interesting. Euro NZD TP got hit. Let's fucking go. This is what we want to see. Literally. It got hit, ski. So the first segment of this stream, I show you what I've been looking at. And the second segment is you guys tell me what we, as a collective, as a unit, should look at. USD MXN, that's an exotic pair, right? Well, I believe that's an exotic pair, but it's in the exotic category. It's still Forex, but exotic. Can you increase your mic volume? You need to increase your volume at the MO. If I speak any louder, I have to shout. You know? So, let's not waste time. Let's get into the charts. Okay? So, firstly, we will look at EuroCAD. The pesos, the dinero, US dollar to Mexican peso. I'm all about the peso, you know? So let's take a look at EuroCAD, guys. I'm going to show you an entry model that I've been practicing. And this model is crazy. So as you guys know, when we're looking at the charts, we got to dial in to the higher time frame, which is the weekly, the monthly, the daily. So on a grand scheme, it's kind of hard to decipher what's going on here with USD CAD, right? It is going up and down, but if you really want to identify what's been going on. Long term, it's just kind of been ranging, you know. We haven't really made anything brazy. Boom. It's crazy, like when the charts are empty, you see nothing. But when you start to draw on the charts, you start to see things. So as you can see, I showed you that. Next up, I can show you a trend line. And now this changes everything. If I remove this, it changes everything. It's like, yo, we had a break of the trend line. You know what? We could be bearish. You know, so beauty is in the eye of the beholder. If you're bullish, you're bullish. If you're bearish, you're bearish. It's what you see. This over here, guys, is called a rising pennant. If I just go on Google here and I just type in rising pattern, if it loads. So yeah, this is called a rising pennant, guys. When you are trading, it's really good if you know your patterns. The sooner you realize certain patterns, the easier it becomes to, you know, see things off the naked eye without drawing trend lines, Fibonacci, and all these extra stuff. If you see the pattern on the bigger thing, it's a lot easier to just quickly identify that, you know. So as you can see from these diagrams, this is what a rising pennant looks like. Impulse and price is squeezing. It's literally squeezing, so it's gonna just pop out. Yeah, so let's go back to EuroCAD. As you can see, this is basically what's happening now. It's ready to pop. It's either gonna pop up or it's gonna pop down. But the first thing that we did was spot it out. Once you spot it, step one is complete on the higher time frame. Grand Rising Drex Strider, or should I say Goku. USD CAD is bullish on the higher time frame. Exactly. This is EuroCAD, but they have the same counter pair. So guys, are you guys with me with what's happening on the monthly time frame? Just say yes. I just need somebody to say yes. Just one yes, and we're ready to go to the day, to the weekly. Then we pounce into the daily 4 hour. Then I show you the entry that you can be using in the markets. I just need one yes to let me know you're with me. Rising wedge, yeah, rising wedge, rising pennant, same thing. Okay, Hadil says yes. If Hadil says yes, God bless. So let's go to the weekly. So now we're on the weekly. So we're not gonna focus on this. It's too much. These are just weeks and weeks and weeks. We need to focus on this. So we saw the bigger thing, but now we're going into the weekly, then the daily, then the 4 hour. So what we're gonna do is focus on this piece of price action the last couple of weeks. So it might be hard for you to see. So we're gonna scale it out and look at it like this. Look how beautiful that is up close. Beautiful. So I'm bullish here. I'm bullish. The question is, where am I bullish to? So the first thing we need to do when we're trading is identify areas inside the market, you know, higher highs and higher lows, structure patterns, break of structures, you know, the usual. That's what we need to do. Just focus on the usual. Once we find what the usual is, the rest is history. So if I go to the line chart, I noticed that there was a break of structure here. So now we have a new high. So right now we're trading from here to here. So price has potential to continue to push up. Okay, that's a bigger picture. So now what we do is we're focusing here. Inside this big structure, there's also little structures. Okay, I hope you're with me, guys. I hope you're with me. So I go back to the line chart and look over here. We have another break of structure just here. Can anybody tell me what pattern this is? We kind of discussed this briefly yesterday. If this thing stops magneting, okay. Can anybody tell me what kind of pattern this is? There's no right or wrong answers here, guys. What's the pattern? What is the pattern? The live is freezing. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. We need to take care of that. Let me just head and shoulder, correct. Correctamundo. We have, well, it's not a head and shoulder, it's an inverse head and shoulder. So at the moment, you guys are telling me the stream is freezing. So it looks like I have a little bit, maybe I have too many tabs open. I have about 100 tabs open right now. So I'm gonna do ourselves a favor and close these tabs so we can get a better performance. Yes, so we have an inverse head and shoulder. So guys, let me know now, is the stream smoother now? Is the lag still lagging? Anyways, we're gonna continue on. So I guess you guys just have no option but to just bear with me. All right, I'm sorry about this, but you just have to bear with me. All right. So here we have an inverse head and shoulder on the daily, on the weekly time frame. So now what we do is we hop back to here. So what I'm going to show you guys now is the sauce on getting sniper entry. I'm only going to show you this. The next time you see this in great detail is going to be on the bootcamp. So I'm giving you guys the secret ingredient to enter a trade. Step 1, you need your Fibonacci from the low to the high. That's step 1. Step 2, we look for an imbalance, or what I like to call when shit gets wicked. So this is my wicked box. I call this the wicked box. When things start to get a little wicked. Okay? So in this wicked box, we look for what you guys call fair value gap, ICT people. SMC, we call this imbalance. But The 5P MJ crew, we call this the wicked box when things get wicked around here. So obviously we have a nice push to the upside. We have a break of structure here. When we see price dropping back to the downside, we wait for price to enter our wicked box so we can get the perfect sniper. And we target minus 27 first. In terms of stop loss, order block as well. We all call it differently, but at least we know what I'm talking about. So now that I've identified the wicked box, we go to the daily. So on the daily, what we're looking for is a thing we call imbalance, where this thing has to be, tapped and filled in so we can make our entry more precise. So somewhere down here, we have this big bullish candle. So price literally came back to the wick. So this is where we're looking to enter on the wicked box. And we're just in the daily time frame, guys. So right now this trade is looking like a 1:1. A 1:1 is disgusting. It makes it sick. Wow. So now that we have found the wicked box, we just put our stop loss roughly 50% here or 50% here. On the safe side, we go for the first 50. So halfway. Okay. So we put the stop loss halfway. And now our trade goes from a 1:1 to a 1:8, guys. And we're still on the daily time frame. So you know what we do next? Let's go into the 4-hour time frame and get the sniper entry. The good thing about the wicked box, guys, yeah, if you see that there's a wicked gap on the weekly, on the daily, and the 4-hour, the trade is a certified banger. I repeat, the trade is a certified banger. So I have a few tabs here that I just need to close. Okay, so just bear with me here. Exactly. So the trade went from a 1:1 to a 1:8. So now I'm going to show you on the 4-hour time frame where you get the wicked entry. Okay, and this 1:8 can literally change into a 1:2. So you tell me. So there's also that same wicked gap. As that same wicked gap did not go anywhere. It literally stayed right here. See right here, we have that gap, and that's exactly where we get the entry. So now this is a trade with a 30 pip stop loss. So like I said, first you go for the 50. Now you can bring it down to roughly like 25% of the box. So now that we focus on the 25% of the box, the 1:1 turned into a 1:8, which has now turned into a 1:14. That's all I'm showing you guys. The rest is all in the bootcamp. Here we have a zone of resistance. So obviously price is just resisting for now. Hopefully price respects this area so it continues to push to our TP. So now I can get rid of the Fibonacci. We don't need it. We know where price is going. and we just need a clean chart. So I just do this now. I just minimize the boxes. Look how pretty she is. So what we can do, we can even go to the 1 hour time frame and see if the wicked box has been wickedly tested, the 5p way. And again, look guys, there's still that same gap that did not get tested. So this was a no-brainer. And the way price approached this area, impulse and correction, very unhealthy. Super unhealthy. So unhealthy, it's making me sick. And as you can see, literally from that point on here, price started to move in a nice, beautiful uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. We call this an uptrend. So that, my guys, is how you find an entry from the higher time frame all the way down to the 1 hour. We could dive into the 5, the 15, it doesn't matter. This is a beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. So right now we're just going to see if it respects, so we continue pushing up, or we wake up and prices back in drawdown. I apologize if the stream is freezing, guys. Today is just, we have some bad weather outside, so the weather's not the best, and it's just messing up with the network around here, you know. So I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. But tomorrow's stream, we're gonna have smooth. It's gonna be running extremely smooth. I also have a few tabs here that they still need to be open, so I'm sorry about that too. The ones I'm not using, I'll just quickly close down. I'll quickly close down. We don't need you. 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 We need the music, right? So is this live freezing or not? Anyways, let's just continue. That's what we do. We continue. The show goes on. So it is freezing. I'm sorry about this, guys. I'm so sorry. You know, I'm gonna close everything for you guys. Anyways, we're gonna have a short little intermission while we get this issue taken care of. Obviously, what's happening out here is a bit, so I need you guys patience right now. As long as you can hear me, I guess that's all that matters, because we're not looking at the screen anymore. So we will just have a little, let's just say, rendezvous while we wait for the stream to catch up. Okay, so that's basically, guys, how we look for entries on the higher time frame, on, you know, from the monthly to the weekly to the daily to the 4 hour to the 1 hour. We're going to break this down to you guys in more detail, especially when we're doing the boot camp. All the questions that you have will be answered and everything like that. But now the question is for me to you guys. What are you guys struggling with in terms of trading? Is there anything you guys would like to know? It's an open discussion right now. This is like the round table, you know. So, is anybody struggling with FOMO, discipline, trying to find the right trades, or you have two trades, you don't know which one to take, you know? Any issue that you have, just pop it into the chat and let's see if other people are experiencing the same thing as you. Are you struggling to pass challenges? Are you struggling to get a payout? The frequently asked questions, we can go on and on and on and on. But I need you guys to let me know. So the screen is frozen, but the show goes on for now. Tomorrow we'll be back, okay? Tomorrow we'll be back with a nice, smooth stream. iBoy Crypto, welcome to the stream, my brother. Welcome to the stream. So, guys, back to the question. What are you struggling with in terms of trading? What's the hardest thing you're trying to overcome? So I'm even just going to put a question here. What are you currently struggling with? So this is now it went from a Q&A to a round table. So at least now we're all together, guys. We're all together, okay? We're all together now. Okay, so I'm seeing some people saying FOMO. Having two trades and sometimes don't know which trade to take. Okay. Profit management. Okay. Yes, my own is profit management. Okay, so FX Watcher, profit management, risk management, consistency, and replicating my rules. So here's what we do. We will literally talk about everybody's issue one by one. We're going to start off with FX Watcher because you were the first person. So my own is profit management. Does anybody else have issue with profit management? And can you just elaborate a little bit what you mean by profit management? Do you mean when the trade is running in profit and you don't know what to do in terms of changing your stop loss to entry to go risk free? Is that what you mean by profit management? Yes or no? I presume that's what you mean. iBoy, crypto, discipline. Okay. These are all things we all struggle with. Although you guys have named it separately, but this is something we all struggle with as a collective. As a collective of traders, this is what we all struggle with. So, yes, FOMO is literally up there. FOMO is up there, guys. So, let's see. The thing about FOMO is, right? FOMO is fear of missing out. There is this other thing in trading. It's called FOLO. Fear of losing out. Or fear of losing, I suppose. So FOMO and fear of losing are it's like a double-edged sword. FOMO on one side, right? You're scared of missing out on trades, so you're going to enter trades at every given opportunity. FOLO, fear of losing out, is the opposite. Or fear of losing is the opposite. So fear of losing basically means you see the perfect setup, but you're afraid to pull the trigger. Do you see how this is just balancing? On one hand, you're afraid of losing out on the trade or missing out on the trade, you take extra trades. On the other side of the catosphere, you're afraid of entering trades in case you lose. So on this side, you have one trade, follow, or fear of losing. And on this side, you have 50 trades versus one or two. So we're trying to be in the middle. Okay, that's where we're trying to be. It's balancing like this, but we need to be in the middle. That we know, okay, this is a trade, it's not ready yet, so I'm going to wait. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm just going to wait. Right? And on this side, we have, I'm afraid of losing, so let me take the trade. And that goes hand in hand with that. Okay, so that answers the formal question. So next up, we have risk management. Risk management is quite simple. When you are trading, risk the same amount every single time. If not the same amount, risk the same, in and around the same, percentage. 0.5 to 1.5%. If you see a good trade, risk 1%. If you see a better trade like A1, risk 1.5. But don't be having inconsistent risk, if you know what I mean. There are exceptions, but don't have one trade you risk 5%, on the next trade you risk 2%, then on the next trade you risk 0.5. Because the thing about this is, when you look at it on the chart of your win rate and your losses, it's not going to look good. It looks like all your trades are, messed up. Whereas if you're risking 1% each trade, it's simple. -1, -1, -1, -1, -1, -1. Consistency in replicating my rules. Okay, let us know what are your rules. And also, welcome Team Tan. Hello, I'm new here. Welcome. You lost 500 euro today on gold. So, was that on a funded account or was that? It actually doesn't even matter. I'm not even going to ask you if that was funded or personal. It doesn't matter. What matters is you lost 500 euro on gold. So, were you in a buy or were you in a sell on gold? That's the first question. And question number 2, were you trading the news? If the answer is yes, then obviously we're going to dive into that. Take a deep dive. Discipline. Also, when I hit 2-3 SLs, I'm scared to enter another trade. Exactly. The giveaway is soon. I can't reveal too much. Stick around. Stick around for the giveaway. Other than that, I don't know what to tell you. Right now, we're doing a nice little round table vibe energy. So sometimes I can't control my feelings and enter again. Listen, iBoy Crypto, we are all human, so we go through these emotions as well. Me too. If I lose a trade, sometimes I need to get my lick back. Sometimes I need to just enter again and just, So it's one of those things. I had a good trade on gold. Come on, Sulex. Gold is my favorite pair. My favorite pair is US30. A lot of people love gold. They love it. They love it so much. Gold is a interesting pair. Very, very interesting. But yes, guys, as you can see, the title of the stream, we're doing a live stream Q&A and then we're doing the account giveaway. So let's not be one of these people that just come for free giveaways, yeah? First, we focus on the content of the education side of things. And then you guys will be blessed with 2 10K accounts. It's for my gift to you on behalf of My Flash Funding. So from your gift to us, just cooperate, enjoy the stream, ask questions. Obviously, don't ask about the giveaway, but ask questions that you are struggling with in terms of trading and all that stuff. So we can, work together. And the more we stream, the better it gets. All the streams are going to be getting better and better and better and better. US 30 was a crazy thing. So while I'm here, might as well. Let me show you guys my baby. US 30 is my prized possession. Do you guys offer a trial account? I think I should try this funded thing. We don't offer trial accounts yet. But, other prop firms do. So I'm not telling you to go to another prop firm to do a trial account. But you could go to another prop firm and do a trial account and then come back. Anyways, we're looking at US 30 right now. US 30 got a whole lot of lines. It's got so many lines right now, guys. It's crazy because these lines are my language. We all speak different languages here, Some people speak Portuguese, French, English, Italian, Polish, Swedish, all these languages, But in the charts, we speak a unison type of language. And that language is called the zone. Or should I say trading in the zone. That's the language that we speak. Trading in the zone. Wow, you trade US 30. Cool. Show me your analysis. I'm about to show you. Last week, Team Tan, we flipped €200 into €1,000 live on my YouTube channel. Go check it out. Search me up at Denzel FX. We took a sell from here to here, then another sell from here to here. So speaking of sells, guys, is it not so obvious that US 30 is selling? But right now there's so many things on this chart. I don't want to get into it. So we're going to go to a cleaner chart with less distractions. Okay? So much better. So much better. So guys, look, US 30 is just selling. Bang, 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 bang. Easy. The latest sell we got on US 30 was at the break of this structure here. So price broke structure and we came back for the retest. How do you avoid over trading? Sorry, iBoy's question. How do you manage your trading capital and avoid over trading? Okay, same question. So there's a saying. There's two sayings. The first saying is less is more. I'm pretty sure you've heard that phrase, saying, metaphor plenty of times in your life. Another saying, it's quantity over quality. Sorry, quality over quantity. It's the quality of your trades that you take, not the quantity. Less is more. Then the last thing is, there's a saying by Warren Buffett, I think, or some guy like this that trades big time. The market takes money from the impatient and gives it to the patient. Which one are you? I'll say it one more time. The market takes money from the impatient and gives it to the patient. Which one are you? Whenever I enter a trade and my TP gets smacked, I know that somebody that was impatient gave me their money. And that's how the market works, because money makes the world go round. Money makes the world go round, guys. So if you're on the other side of the fence that you're impatient, stop that. Come to the patient side. Because when you are on the patient side, it's so much easier. Look at the price action here on US 30, guys. A blind man can see this from planet Neptune. A blind man can see this from planet Neptune, guys. If you go on a YouTube video and just type in how do you trade or how to trade, this is something they show you. This is what you call textbook trading. Excuse me. Breaks, retest. Breaks and retest. Breaks and retest. Breaks, retests. This is what you call trading, textbook trading. If you discovered trading this week and you watched so many trading videos, trading US 30 this week would have made you never give up on trading. I can guarantee you that for free. So now, looking at US 30, clearly it's selling. The news came out earlier on today, and it just did a madness. So whenever I'm trading US 30, the first thing I do is I look for zones. I mark out the highs, I mark out the lows of the day, and just see where could price go to today. When you mark out the previous high and the previous low, this is another gem I'm going to show you guys. Mark out the previous high and mark out the previous low. Then on the current trading day, look for the daily close. Around the daily close, you have two opportunities to trade US 30. Trade it during London session or wait for NY session. So now if you go into like the 5 minutes, you'll be able to find what you're looking for. So over here during London session, look what we have on the line chart. We had a beautiful break and retest right here. We had a break and retest at 9:45. 9:45 break retest, and price sold to the daily low. Lagging face cam. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Tomorrow the stream will be 10 times better, guys. So just allow me today. So here we had a nice trade. Nice 1:3. Beautiful. Then unemployment claims PPI came out positive. Poof, upside. NY session open, sells. And the time frame that we're looking right now is the 5-minute time frame. We can go back to last week Thursday, and price would have done the exact same thing. So last week Thursday, around 1:30 here, we go and look at the news. How did the news come out last week Thursday? The 4th of April, apply. We look at the charts. We come back. It came out negative, so we're expecting sells. Boom. It bought and then it sold. Anyways, guys, that's about it with the stream. The last 10 minutes, we're going to do everything in terms of giveaways. So we're giving away 2 10K accounts. Okay? We're giving away 2 10K accounts. I'm going to tell you guys exactly what you need to do in order to win the 2 10K accounts. That wick is crazy, I swear. My FF is legit. You know the vibes. Go join the Discord. You'll see it for yourself. So GBP USD, GBP. I had a sell bias yesterday before the stream ended, and it didn't go too well. I won't lie to you guys. My sell bias, I told you guys yesterday, it didn't go too well. So we were looking for sells. GBP USD yesterday around here. If you remember, at 9 o'clock, I told you GBP USD is probably going to sell. It sold off. This trade, you would have been up about almost 1%, and then you got taken out. Then yeah, so it is what it is. What we do now, we're gonna go and I'm gonna tell you guys what you need to do to win the giveaway. So Will and Adil are our two first official winners on the giveaway from last night. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you what you need to do in order to win the giveaway. Sorry, Adiyemo already checked EuroCAD at the beginning. So in order to win the giveaway, guys, I need you guys to do 3 things. I need you guys to go on Instagram, follow 5P Trading _, which is me. Then go and follow My Flash Funding on Instagram. After you've done that, I need you guys to join the free Telegram group, so I know that you have been participating and watching the streams and all that stuff. Okay? Once you have done these 3 things, come back here on the stream and comment your Instagram handle. So once you finish, come back and show me your Instagram at. What I will do, I will check if you followed myself, if you followed My Flash Funding, and if you joined the free Telegram. So guys, the ball is in your court. Time is ticking. Let's go. So once you've done that, literally just comment your Instagram username in the comment section right below. Clock is ticking. 2 10K accounts. Who wants it? Follow 5P Trading _, follow My Flash Funding, and join the free Telegram. Okay, we have Uche, Nelson Uche. You are the first person. You are the first person to comment. And Pato Kuli. The links are in bio. So if you have joined the Telegram, send me a screenshot in my Instagram so I can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check if Uche and Pato, the first 2 people, if you guys have followed and everything, you guys have won the 2 10K accounts. So bear with me one moment. I'm going to go get my phone. Okay, we are back. We are back. Okay, so the first person is Uche. Uche, I need to make sure that you have followed and you're in the Telegram group. Everything is on the screen. 5P Trading. Okay, so the first person is Uche. Uche, UCHEN. NNA. L E. Man, Uche, you got one long ass name, brother or sister. Typing it in is crazy. Okay, we have Uche. Are you following? You're following 5P Trading. You're also following me and my Flash Funding. As you can see, Uche has followed 2 of the rules. So, guys, literally, the links are in my Instagram bio. The link to the Telegram is in my Instagram bio. Okay? Link to the Telegram is Instagram bio. I'm also going to drop the link here because you guys are lazy. That's the link right there. So, Uche, let me know if you had joined the Telegram or else I have to move on. Time is of the essence. Time is of the essence. Can't send it here. No me. Can't send it here on YouTube. Send it to me on my Instagram, Uche. Send it to me on the Instagram. TikTok. Uche, TikTok, man. TikTok. TikTok. ... Uche. I'm gonna give Uche 10 more seconds because right now he's lacking. I cannot just focus on Uche. I have to keep the show going. I'm sorry. I need you to send a screenshot in 10 seconds. If not, look, it is what it is. I have to go to the next person. The next person I had in line was Pato Kuli. Okay, so Pato Kuli. Simple. My guy doesn't waste time. Pato is following. Pato is doing this, following me, and then. And I can see Pato has joined the Telegram and the Discord. Perfecto. So the first winner is Pato Kuli. I'm sorry, Uche, I gave you so much time. You wasted it. The show goes on with or without you. So the first winner is Pato Kuli. Okay. Now we're going to go to the next person. I'm just going to close my eyes and pick somebody random. Adiyemo Bolaji. If you have joined the Telegram, send me a screenshot. So I'm going to check if you're following 5P Trading and if you are following my Flash Funding. Yusuf, what's going on, Yusuf? So you're not following me, brother, so I'm sorry, you can't win. It literally says follow 5P Trading on Instagram, follow 5P Trading and my Flash Funding. You guys are messing up here, bruh. The rules are simple. The rules are simple. Who's next? Sulex Omar. I hope you follow the rules, Sulex. Do you want this 10K account or not? Sulex Omar. Yes, Sulex, you are following. Sulex, you are following. The next question is, have you joined the Telegram? TikTok. When I say TikTok, you've got 10 seconds, man. You've got 10 seconds. 10 seconds, brother. Have you joined the Telegram? 10 seconds. Quickly. The account could be yours right now. Quickly. You guys are lacking. Honestly, you guys are lacking. Oh, you man, stop lacking. Pato was on job. Okay, Sulex does not play. Sulex does not play. Boom. He joined the Telegram. As for the first guy, I forgot your name, the first guy. You had your chance. You wasted time, brother. I'm sorry. Maybe you can win tomorrow, Uche. Maybe you can win tomorrow. Anyways, guys, we're going to be streaming tomorrow as well. So we're doing this every single day of the week. So we're going to be giving accounts, giving accounts, giving accounts, giving accounts, all right? So Sulex.Omar. So those are the two winners, guys. I repeat, those are the two winners of the giveaway. For the winners of the giveaway, I need you to listen closely. Send me your full name and your email address in chat so I can forward it to the team, all right? So you can get your accounts ASAP. So send me your full name and your email address so I can give it to the team so you can get your accounts. Other than that, my guys, thank you for joining today's stream. Tomorrow's stream is going to be a whole lot smoother, a whole lot cleaner. Obviously, there's a little bit of a lag. But listen, guys, when I say TikTok, see, I messaged you. I said TikTok. Time is of the essence. Don't lack. So when you don't lack, no pack, 2-pack, all of that. We out. Anyways, guys, see you guys tomorrow at the same time. 2 more accounts freshly ready for you. Could it be yours? I don't know. So what you got to do is turn on your post notifications. First things first. All right? So you can get the details and all that stuff. And don't forget, guys, the boot camp. That's all we're focusing on right now. Boot camp, boot camp, boot camp. We're doing a 30-day boot camp, guys. Teaching you guys how to take these amazing trades just like how we do it every single day. Okay? So don't lack when it comes to that, guys. Don't lack. There's the link for the boot camp. If you're serious, don't waste time. Pay straight away. You'll be added to the mix if you qualify. Not everybody qualifies for the boot camp. If you're eager and determined, you qualify. Anyways, guys, thank you for joining. I'm talking too much now. Have a good night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow where everything's going to be roses and all that stuff. Peace out.